I have created the income and expense tracker, which is fully automated. And just in case if you're interested, you can download from the link provided in the description below. To start with, we have the summary, the expense type. We have different categories here and the sum of all the category amount. And then you have in percentage, and the same data you also have in graphical representation. Then you have the daily entry tracker where you track all the expenses on a daily, either it's a income or expenses. To start with, you have the month where you can select which month you want to track, and then year. Again, in the drop down, you have year. So on the right side, you have the total income. If I press F2 from the keyboard, you can see I have used the formula. All the incomes you can update here. The sum will be reflecting here. And similarly, for the expenses, again, whatever the expense you update here, it will be reflecting here. So here you have the surplus. So since the income is more than expenses, it shows as 760 as surplus. And just in case if the income is more than expenses, it will show in red as deficit. So let me show you here. So just imagine like so since we have 766, if I have expenses of 800, you can see it is changed to from red to green, sorry, from green to red, and it is deficit, and you also see in minus 34. So again here you if I want to uh, update the expense, I just need to select the date, and in this drop down you have all the categories. For example, home utility. The moment I select the home utility, the all the expenses related to home utility will be reflecting here. So likewise, if I select insurance and finance, and again if I come to this drop down, you see whatever the expense related to home and insurance and financials will be reflected here. So all these inputs are coming from this sheet. Let me go here. Here you can see the income, all the income. So likewise, home utility, insurance, for everything you can list out here just in case if you want to make some changes in any of this category. So for example, I will add X XYZ in the home utility, and same thing will also reflect here. So let me take this home utility here. In this, let's see the drop down, you can see XYZ is reflecting. So I hope this tracker will be useful, and